Hi, this is the Galaxy M34 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's open first the settings and then tap to wallpaper and style. Here click to change wallpaper section and you could use photo from the defaults from your device gallery or download it from the internet, or also you could use the online wallpapers, but to use them be sure that you're connected to the internet, to mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. So let's select one from the wallpapers. If you want to set wallpaper only to the lock screen, you should unselect home screen, then just tap to next. Tap to done on the right upper corner and that's it. Let's lock the device. So as you can see, that sounds simple. And also we got one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with our finger, tap on the left down corner to wallpaper and style, and you'll see here change wallpaper section by the same way. Select one from the available wallpapers, unselect home screen, tap to next, done on the right upper corner, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.